If you are a patient with depression, then this exercise can be useful for you. A person with depression cannot examine himself while living in himself. In such a situation, he must come out of himself and observe himself. Such a view from which you are looking at yourself is called disassociated view. In NLP, we read that there are two types of views. Number 1. A view in which you cannot see yourself. For example, if you are playing a match, then the entire view of the field will appear associated with you. Number 2. A view in which you also look at yourself and the rest of the people. For example, if you are playing a match and someone has made a video of it. After the game is over, you are looking at this video, then this view will be a disassociated view, because you also see yourself in it. According to NLP, a disassociated view reduces your emotions. That is, if you are feeling very negative feelings in depression when you come out of yourself and look at yourself, these feelings will decrease. You should do this exercise to achieve this. Take a notebook and sit 10 feet away from yourself. Now write about a person 10 feet away. For example, Adam is a 25-year-old boy. He has been suffering from some problems for the past 2 years. Some accident happened to him in such a way that he got stuck in it. Now he thinks that maybe he can get out of it or not. He has become disappointed and has gone into depression. He had many desires in his life. Remember that in writing like this, you should never start with the word I. Because when you use I, that scene will become associated. Therefore, keep the scene disassociated. Imagine that you are sitting far away from yourself and looking at yourself. And the way the person sitting far away feels, thinks, and sees things, you should write in the notebook. After doing this exercise, feel whether your perspective has changed or remained the same. Remember, if your life partner is not sincere with each other, then refuse before marriage. Because many lives are ruined after marriage. If you have broken someone's heart and ruined their life by falling into the temptation of Satan, then be sure that you will not get any reward for breaking someone's heart. Just apologize to him and answer his questions about why you did it so that he can live his life peacefully. Trust your life partner in your life and do not break your relationship with your life partner, because remember that he has no one else but you. There are very few people in this world who value someone else's happiness more than their own. If you think that someone's victory can give them a new life by losing you, then let them win. Because sometimes losing someone's happiness is the real victory. If you believe in God as your Lord, then believe in Him. If you feel that your life has no purpose, then read the translation of the Holy Quran once. Maybe you will find the path of your life and have complete faith in God instead of humans. A person's life does not stop with the departure of someone. One should learn a lesson from this, that the love and habits of a person are only a loss. Therefore, the source of love should be God and parents. These are all those beings who support a person without any purpose. If you are broken and you feel that God has burdened you more than you can bear, then start listening to people and you will realize that their pain is much greater than yours. If you have not done anything bad to anyone, have always been loyal, thought well of them, supported them at every opportunity, and they left you alone or betrayed you, then you should be happy that you are not one of those who are betrayed. On the day of judgment, you will be asked about the promise, and on that day you will get your reward. If any person who is important in your life gets angry, then celebrate it, because as time passes, misunderstandings increase and then a gap is created. After that, no matter how much you reconcile, that love and affection will not remain the same as before. Because only God Almighty is the one who forgives a person and increases His mercy more than before, while humans do not have that much patience. I have made a rule in life that whoever values you, asks about your condition, prays for you, whoever becomes happy with your laughter and sad with your crying is your capital. The rest is just show. Never leave this person. If he leaves you for any reason, never blame him, smile, and say goodbye. Neither would he get angry with him, nor would he complain about him. Because a person comes alone in this world and leaves alone. So we should definitely have hope from someone, not so much that we cannot live in his company. By adopting these few habits, you can make your life much better and stress-free. Take a short walk in the morning and at night. Drink more water. Do a little but do exercise. Read a book for at least 30 minutes every day and try to read paper books and not from the screen. Eat salads. Avoid junk food. Reduce sugar consumption. Reduce screen time. Make a list of daily tasks. Make the day goal-oriented and smile. Be prosperous and share happiness.